Hey there guys, Chet here. If you've been using QuickBooks and you feel like it's getting too expensive, too limited, or just not keeping up with your needs anymore, that's probably a sign that it's time to look at alternatives. QuickBooks has been the go-to for years, but these days there are other platforms out there that offer better pricing, cleaner interfaces, and more tailored features for different kinds of businesses. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the best QuickBooks alternatives in 2025 and help you figure out which one might be the better fit for your finances. First off, let's start with Xero. It's one of the most well-known accounting alternatives to QuickBooks, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. What people love about Xero is its clean design and how easy it is to use. It has everything you'd expect: expense tracking, invoicing, bank feeds, payroll support, and it lives in one simple dashboard. Plus, it integrates well with hundreds of third-party apps. If you're tired of QuickBooks' clunky interface or constant upselling, Xero might be the breath of fresh air that you've been looking for. Next up, FreshBooks. If you're a freelancer or a service-based business, FreshBooks is a fantastic option. It's built with simplicity in mind, especially when it comes to invoicing and time tracking. The interface is straightforward, and you can set up recurring invoices, automatic payment reminders, and track your time all in one place. It doesn't have the depth of features that QuickBooks offers for inventory or complex reporting, but for solo users or small teams focused on client work, FreshBooks is hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a lot of customization and can grow with your business, Zoho Books is worth checking out. It's part of the larger Zoho ecosystem, which means you can connect it with tools like Zoho CRM or Zoho Projects if you want an all-in-one suite. It includes everything from inventory to project billing to automated workflows, and the best part is that the pricing is far more competitive than QuickBooks, especially if you're managing a growing team and want to keep costs predictable. On the other hand, if you're just starting out and want a totally free option, Wave is a solid choice. It's a cloud-based accounting tool that offers invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting without charging you a monthly fee. It's not as feature-rich as the others, and it won't be the best fit for complex businesses, but for startups, freelancers, or side hustlers, Wave gets the job done without the financial pressure. Now, to wrap it up, there isn't one perfect replacement for QuickBooks, unfortunately. It really comes down to your business size, needs, and budget. Xero, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, and Wave each bring something different to the table. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.